Kwona ruhonge rwa ferry-inĩ umwe wa ukui uria ugucagiriria ahuthiri makiria ma 3,000 oro muthenya nikionereria ati ahuthiri aya mari ugwati-ini wa kugwatania Covid-19. Gukiri uguo ruhonge rwa Kenya Ferry Services unyitaniri-ini na thirikari ya Mombasa ni yambikite mibango ya uria ahuthiri a ferry gwithema na homa ino. Thirikari ya Mombasa ni yambikite mibango ya kugathika miberethi ya maai kuria ahuthiri a ferry marithambagira moko na oho ni ihurite dawa ferry ciothe iria ihuthikaga kiringiro-ini kia Likoni undu uria wikiritwo mukonde ni governor wa Mombasa Ali Hassan Joho.
Where we have to send water bowsers, we shall send. Where we have to build emergency water storage and tanks, we shall do that. We shall do that. What we are saying is we will respond to the demands of the situation. They have done, they're pulling the pipe now. I'm aware that they were putting, this morning, they at the place where they had identified to put the taps, there were hawkers there, which we went and told our people, the hawkers must understand, they have to create room for us to put taps, the ferry to put taps.
Governor araragia na andiki a mohoro ari thibitari-ini wa Coast Provincial thutha wake guthurima nyumba iria igitwo keheri ya guthaitira arwaru a homa ino. Ona gukiri uguo aria marutaga wira kiringiro-ini kia ferry ya Likoni ni moritie thirikari kuheka mibango ino ya kumahe indo cia kwigitira amu kwa ihinda riri mararuta wira na hahu.
Kenya Ferry jitahidi angalau lipate hizo sanitizers zenye zitasaidia watu kuosha mikono wakiingia kwa ferry.
Hapo ni mambo na Mwenyezi Mungu kusaidia sababu wanaoingia huko wajua ni wengi sana.
Riu waikaria Mombasa ni moretio matigakorwo na hahu yothe amu thirikari iri cemba kuhũrana na homa ya Covid-19.
You remove the samples for this patient.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV getwo Nduta wa Nyuthe.